Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have been pictured going into a side entrance of London Euston as they take the train up to Manchester for the One Young World Summit, where the Duchess will give a keynote speech. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex were driven the 27 miles from Frogmore Cottage in Windsor to Euston in a hybrid electric Range Rover, a journey taking about an hour, before walking into the railway station. It is their first public appearance in the UK since returning for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. Meghan, a counselor for One Young World, will give the keynote address.
Stop.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out this other recent clip from LMT Infinite channel. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.